Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really exciting to unbox and show you. We're taking a look at 3 innovative products from SHARGE: the powerful Shargeek 140, the stylish Retro 67 travel set, and the indispensable solar panel. We're going to start right now with the powerful Shargeek 140 power bank. Right away, you can see SHARGE's commitment to a sleek and modern design. This power bank comes with a monochromatic aesthetic, available in black and white. It has that signature transparent look that SHARGE is known for, giving you a glimpse of the internal components. Opening up the box, here it is, the Shargeek 140. Just look at the build quality. It's crafted using CNC machining and an anodization process, which gives it a really high-end and unique feel. This is definitely a chic and essential accessory for both your daily commute and any serious travel. The key feature here is its capacity and durability. You're looking at a stress-free 20,000 mAh capacity. That's plenty of power for all your devices. What's really impressive is the internal setup. This power bank is fueled by 4 advanced Samsung 21700 batteries. SHARGE claims this gives it up to 1.5 times longer-lasting battery life compared to others. Durability is another major selling point. They mention that it maintains 80% of its capacity even after over 1,000 charging cycles. That's a serious lifespan for a power bank. The design is not just about looks, it's about efficiency and safety too. The internal structure uses an integrated circuit board design, meaning every electronic component has been precisely placed for safer and more reliable operation. When you're pushing this much power, cooling is essential. Shargeek 140 addresses this with a spacious aluminum alloy frame and a high-performance thermal silicone pad. This advanced cooling system helps accelerate heat dissipation, ensuring stable high-speed charging even when you are using it intensely. Despite all this power, it maintains a flat design and weighs only about 1 pound or 0.47 kilograms. This makes it easy to grip and won't make your bag feel too bloated. It's truly a compact solution for power on the go. Finally, safety is paramount. It has a built-in comprehensive protection system to keep your connected devices completely safe. Plus, SHARGE has used a flame-retardant V0 grade PC shell to further secure the charging process. This is a very impressive power bank, a fantastic blend of power, style, and safety. Next up, we have a really unique and fun product, the Retro 67 travel set. This is a powerful charger that brings a fantastic bit of nostalgia to your desk. The design is the first thing you notice. This charger is inspired by the classic Macintosh computer, giving it a cool, retro-futuristic vibe. It even features digital rain elements, reminiscent of the famous movie, The Matrix. Inside the box, you get the charger itself, along with a nice selection of international plugs, which is why it's called the travel set. This makes it a truly versatile piece of gear for anyone who travels globally. The key innovative feature is the real-time power display on the front. This isn't just a gimmick. It actually shows you the real-time power output status. The little screen, with its digital rain design, lets you check the charging power in style. The technology inside is just as advanced as the look. This is a 67-watt all-GAN fast charger. GAN technology allows for a smaller, more efficient charger. With this device, you can juice up your devices quickly, delivering a maximum of 67 watts from each single USB-C port. It's built for modern charging needs, featuring a total of 3 USB-C ports. This means you can charge 3 devices simultaneously. The charger has smart and efficient power distribution, which is key when you plug in multiple gadgets at once. For example, if you're only using a single port, you get the full 67 watts. When you charge two devices, the power is smartly split, giving you 45 watts to one device and 20 watts to the other. And if you have three devices plugged in, it distributes the power to give 45 watts to one port and 15 watts to the remaining two. This ensures all your devices are charging efficiently. Overall, the Retro 67 travel set is a fantastic combination of powerful, safe, and efficient charging technology, all wrapped up in a super cool, unique design. Finally, let's look at the perfect companion for our Shargeek 140 power bank, especially if you love the outdoors. This is the power bank solar panel from SHARGE. This product is specifically designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, campers, and anyone who needs power off-grid. Its main purpose is to help you seize the power of the sun and convert it into the energy you need. When folded, it's incredibly compact and easy to carry. You can just toss it in your bag or even hang it up on your backpack while you are out walking. The solar panel also comes with a hard protective case for the Shargeek 140 power bank. This durable hard case will protect the power bank while traveling. A nice and convenient addition. Once unfolded, you can see its impressive design. It's composed of 10 individual solar panels, providing you with a 12-watt maximum output. This means you have an infinite solar energy source to get rid of any battery life anxiety. The panel is highly efficient, boasting over a 22% conversion rate from sunlight into usable electricity. This allows you to stay powered up and connected even in remote locations. It doesn't just charge the Shargeek 140 power bank either. You can also use it to directly charge other devices like your smartphones, flashlights, or any small electronics that use USB charging. And because it is made for outdoor situations, it is both water-resistant and very durable. A little bit of rain or moisture is not a problem for this panel. It's built to last in challenging environments. This is truly the perfect addition to your camping or travel gear, ensuring you can keep your Shargeek 140 and all your devices fully charged wherever your adventures take you.